Malacanang announced the holding of the Manila Ports Forum on November 27 at the Manila Diamond Hotel to address port congestion. Communications Secretary Sonny Colomas said those expected to attend are more than 300 participants from the government agencies, port operators, and private stakeholders. He said government agencies that will join the forum are the DPWH, DOTC, LTO, LTFRB, Philippine Ports Authority, MMDA, Department of Finance, Bureau of Customs, and the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Colomas said the government has been paying extra attention to suggestions coming from different sectors to find a lasting solution to the port's congestion problem, especially at the Port of Manila.
Pinapahalagahan ng pamahalaan ng mga panukala at suhestyon ng lahat ng sektor na may taya sa paghahanap ng pangmatagalang solusyon hinggil sa isyu ng pagkakaroon ng maayos na daloy ng kalakal sa pantalan, lalong-lalo na sa Port of Manila. Ayon sa pahayag ni Pangulong Aquino noong Setyembre 12, ginagampanan na ni Cabinet Secretary Rene Almendras ang tungkulin bilang pangunahing opisyal sa paglutas ng mga problema hinggil sa port congestion.